Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two business accounting tools, which is AutoEntry and NetSuite. So to get started with the head-to-head comparison about these two platforms, help you decide which of these will be a better choice for you to automate your business. So let's dive into it. AutoEntry stands out as a powerful data capture tool that automates the entry of receipt, invoice, and bank statement. It's a favorite among accountants and a small business looking to reduce the manual bookkeeping task, while AutoEntry extracts and categorizes data with a high accuracy, integrating it seamlessly with the popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks and such. It's a great add-on that boosts efficiency, especially for business with heavy paperwork. NetSuite, however, is a complete enterprise resources planning ERP system. It includes not just accounting but also inventory management, together with a CRM and a procurement and global financial tools, making it a specialized solution for larger business. The key difference lies in its scope. AutoEntry enhances your existing accounting system, and it's not a full solution by itself. While NetSuite, on the other hand, can manage nearly every aspect of growing enterprise, but comes with a higher cost and a complexity. And here's the very conclusion: choose AutoEntry if you already have accounting software and want to streamline your document processing. And also, you can opt in for NetSuite if you were looking for an all-in-one enterprise platform level to run your business end to end. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, subscribe and follow for more reviews. Thanks.